So guys, this YouTube channel recently crossed the 10 million view mark. And you know, I've gotten this question a lot over the years about how much does this YouTube channel make, or how much do YouTubers make in general? And that's why in today's video, I'm providing a transparent, honest look at exactly how much money this YouTube channel has made in its lifetime. Now, this is going to include the revenue from the ads you see on the video or the YouTube Partner Program, as well as affiliate income and brand sponsorships, and kind of the three main buckets that contribute to my YouTube revenue. But more importantly than sharing some transparent earnings, I'm also going to share some tips, strategies, and tools that you can use as well to build highly profitable YouTube channels for yourself. This is also including a brand new tool that I'm using to put out way more content at a faster rate that, again, if you're new to YouTube, you can use to create your own channels. If you've ever wondered how much YouTubers make or how much a 10 million view channel would make, this is definitely the video for you. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so I know a lot of these YouTube income report videos, they make you watch for 20 minutes and they tease you the whole time, and then they do a big drum roll reveal, and then they finally show you the number. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to skip right to it and hop into my YouTube dashboard here and show you guys. So I started this channel in January 2020, and since then it's gotten about 10.8 million views, mostly on long form content. And this has generated over $146,000 in AdSense revenue in its lifetime from about 10 million views. So guys, first off, honestly, I want to just say thank you, because YouTube has changed my life and these views are from you guys. So anyone who likes or comments or who subscribes and who's shown support over the years, honestly, I really appreciate it. And none of this would have been possible without you guys watching my videos. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys. It's honestly mind-blowing to me that a channel can even make this much. I know there are YouTubers making way more, but for 10 million views, honestly, I think this is pretty cool. Now, in case you're brand new to YouTube, this revenue is basically coming from the advertisements you see on my videos. When you join the YouTube Partner Program, you can monetize your channel and basically have ads on your videos, and you earn as people watch your videos and see all of those ads. Now, currently, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to get into the YouTube Partner Program. This took me a couple of months to get into when I first started my channel and I wasn't monetized. And it was actually one of my first videos that went semi-viral during COVID and helped me monetize my channel really quickly. But yeah, as you can see here in my dashboard, for the first couple of years, I really wasn't posting too frequently on YouTube. I was doing all of the work myself. I was still a freelancer. I had my blog as well. So I was trying to edit a video in my spare time and get it out every week. But realistically, I was posting like 2 to 3 times per month at most. But what's cool, and you can see here, is that the channel was still making about $15 to $20 per day in AdSense revenue for a lot of this early stage, which was still grocery money, was still rent money, and was really helping me out. But eventually I realized I needed to start putting more effort into YouTube, so I started reinvesting some of this AdSense revenue into my channel. This meant I could start working with a thumbnail designer. I reinvested some earnings into editing help, and I just started putting more effort in to be more consistent. The effort honestly paid off and the channel really started to grow. And then from $15 to $20 a day, the channel started earning $50 a day. Eventually it was making $100 to $200 per day. And now sometimes even $300 per day or more just in AdSense revenue. Again, this completely changed my life, so thank you guys again. It really does mean a lot. And I want to highlight one interesting thing as well about my channel and this niche in particular. So my channel and the personal finance or side hustle niche has a very high RPM in general. Now, an RPM represents the revenue you get paid per 1,000 views on your YouTube videos. And as you can see here, some of my videos have RPMs in the $25 to $35 range, which means they generate that much revenue per 1,000 views. Now, it's not uncommon for videos in the finance niche to have these kinds of RPMs or even higher ones. And again, particularly for long form videos, because longer videos just have more ads in them. But this is definitely one thing new YouTubers can keep in mind. Some niches have really high RPMs, again, like finance or tech, crypto, while some have lower RPMs, like maybe entertainment or making brain rot compilations on YouTube, that kind of thing. But anyways, that's the advertisement AdSense YouTube Partner Program side of things. So let me cover my other 2 main buckets of YouTube income. But really quick, guys, 2 exciting announcements before I keep going. The first is that I just launched a free new school community called the Online Income Club that I would love if you guys could check out. This is a new community. We're sharing all kinds of exciting side hustle wins, daily tips and tricks, different ways to earn money online, and also a lot of YouTube tips as well. So I would love if you guys could join and we can start chatting there as well. And secondly, I finally launched an ebook that outlines how you can build and scale profitable YouTube channels even as a complete beginner. This is my YouTube Freedom Launchpad, and it's also part of this new school community. So again, you can learn how to make profitable channels. We can talk about it on school and scale these niche channels together. If you've ever wanted to turn a YouTube channel into an income source for yourself, I really think this ebook can help. And again, I'm super excited to be on school now, where we can chat a lot more regularly and share what's working for us. But yeah, I would love if you guys could check out both. Let me know what you think about them in the comments, and I'll be linking them in the description box if you want to check them out. But all right, guys, the second income bucket for this YouTube channel is sponsorship income or brand deals. Now, honestly, I don't work with that many sponsors on this channel, and this is really something I've been exploring kind of in the last year and a half or two, and I haven't really done that much of when I first started out on YouTube. But yeah, as a YouTuber, I get emails every week from companies that want to maybe send me free stuff or run some kind of collaboration or have me sign up as an affiliate or brand ambassador. And honestly, most of these emails suck or they seem like scams. But it has been really fun and kind of new to me to start working with some finance companies or fintech apps or side hustle companies in the space that are sponsoring YouTubers and bringing some pretty cool products out there to market that I feel comfortable recommending. Now, just to be transparent, I will say that payments here range all over the place when it comes to sponsorships. I mean, I've sold sponsorships for $250 to $500 for a really short company mention, to upwards of $1,500 to $3,000 for way more involved videos. Again, this is newer to me and it's not something I'm super good at yet or do as much of as a lot of the bigger YouTubers out there. And in my lifetime, I would estimate this channel has made about $25,000 in brand sponsorships. Now, sponsorships are certainly a very popular method a lot of YouTubers use to monetize their audience and their videos. And I know some YouTubers where sponsorships are like 80% of their income or 90%, and AdSense in the YouTube Partner Program is a very small percentage. And I want to highlight something here quickly that should be very encouraging to you as well if you're thinking about starting out on YouTube. You definitely don't need to have hundreds of thousands of subscribers or some massive audience or anything like that to start making money with sponsorships. In fact, micro-influencers have been found to have some of the best ROI or return on investment for advertisers. And this means that a lot of brands are willing to pay really decent money to work with niche creators. So again, even as a brand new YouTuber, you'd be amazed at the offers you get, the emails you get, the doors that open up to you, and how much money is actually on the table, even for small creators. But anyways, guys, that's the YouTube Partner Program and sponsorship side of things. And the third major bucket I want to cover is affiliate income. Now, in case you're also kind of new to this, affiliate revenue or affiliate income basically comes when a YouTuber or content creator recommends a product or service to their audience buys or uses that product, and then the content creator or affiliate marketer gets a commission in exchange for referring that customer to them. Now, personally, I don't do a ton of direct affiliate marketing on YouTube. Like, I don't put direct links in a lot of the description boxes where people sign up and then I get paid. However, I do send people to my newsletter, or I've sent them to my various blogs over the years, and those blogs typically have a lot more affiliate offers within the content, where again, I'm basically monetizing the information I'm providing. Now, personally, I've been doing affiliate marketing ever since 2018 when I first started my blog, This Online World. And actually, This Online World is the blog I scaled to over $1 million in revenue and eventually sold. In that time, I made hundreds of thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing, and it was really one of my most successful side hustles ever. And even to this day, I'm still making money every single day as an affiliate marketer. Now, I will say most of this affiliate income came from organic traffic from Google, not YouTube, going to the different blogs I've created over the years. And honestly, I was kind of a noob at the start, and then I was just kind of lazy, so I never really set up tracking properly. So it's a bit difficult for me to dissect how much affiliate income I've made from Google or social media, and then how much affiliate income I've made from YouTube. But if I had to put a rough guess or ballpark on this figure, I would estimate it to be around $50,000 in affiliate income coming from this YouTube channel. And so guys, if I ultimately had to put a rough ballpark figure on how much this YouTube channel has earned in its lifetime with just over 10 million views, it would probably be around $210,000 maybe $215,000. And guys, I want to make one thing clear. I'm not trying to make this video to brag or to showboat or anything like that, but I really just want to make a transparent breakdown of what this channel has earned in case you're curious or you want to start making money on YouTube yourself. I remember when I started out, I loved reading blogging income reports. I loved watching these YouTube income reports as well, because it kind of gives you a sense of what's possible, what you might be able to expect, and then also kind of just figure out if it's worth your time or if it's something you're even interested in. But really with this video, I want to try and highlight also that anything is possible if you put in effort and you stay consistent. I mean, I started this channel, I had no filming experience, no editing experience. I pretty much had never tried anything on YouTube before, but I was consistent. I stuck with it over the years, and bit by bit, the channel grew and turned into a pretty awesome source of income and really its own business, which still blows my mind. So thank you guys again. You can do the exact same thing in any niche, and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars either on gear or expensive equipment to get started. I mean, you can legitimately start with your cell phone and a cheap USB microphone. You don't have to invest thousands of dollars into expensive stuff. I mean, I started with a super budget setup as well, and I'll actually link my Amazon storefront down below as well that breaks down all of the gear I've used in the past and what I'm using right now as well. But for real, guys, I think YouTube is an amazing opportunity. It has crazy potential that can change your life. So I definitely recommend trying it if you're looking for a new opportunity. And guys, thank you again. All of your support, it really does mean the world. But if you're still here and you've stuck around to this point and you're wondering, how can I also start making money on YouTube and what are the steps I can take? Well, let me outline them for you really quickly. Honestly, it's a super simple process. And again, I've outlined this more in depth in my YouTube Freedom Launchpad, but in a nutshell, here is how you can also get started on YouTube. The first step would be to essentially pick a niche that you're interested in. This could be a hobby, it could be something you do for your work, or just something you're highly passionate about. Now, the second step would be to create content that provides value to people. This could mean help answer questions, solve a specific problem for that audience, or provide some kind of entertainment or joy. Now from there, the third tip is just to start scripting and putting out videos and to stay consistent and make sure you're improving bit by bit with every video you make. And then the fourth tip is ultimately to get into the YouTube Partner Program, start exploring affiliate marketing, start exploring brand deals, or even other things like selling your own digital products. Again, guys, it is a learning curve in some sense, but you don't need expensive gear or to be a video editing pro or anything like that to start out on YouTube. In fact, there are now tools and AI solutions out there that make creating awesome YouTube content way easier than ever before. For example, Gling AI is my favorite one, and I'm actually using it right now to scale some new niche channels. And again, this is a perfect tool if you're new to making money on YouTube. Seriously, Gling is supercharging a lot of my channels. They're not sponsoring this video or anything. I just really love this tool, and I think it's great for brand new YouTubers. Gling basically lets you upload raw footage, get rid of all of the bad takes and silence, enhance your audio, and you can even add captions and B-roll for your videos. Again, this has been a game changer for me. It saves me so much time, so it's never been easier than right now to make awesome YouTube videos. I mean, you can even use tools like Opus Clips now and make free thumbnails. So you don't even have to know how to make thumbnails. You can do this all with AI as long as you're creating content that provides value to people and you stay consistent. But anyways, guys, that does it for how much money this YouTube channel has made with just over 10 million views. Again, I really hope this video doesn't come across as a flex or anything like that. There are so many content creators out there making way more money than me, who are way more successful. And I'm really just trying to be transparent to show you guys what's possible on YouTube. Again, I'm going to be talking about this in my new ebook, but also over on School, where we're talking about all kinds of side hustles that are actually working right now. So I would love to see you guys there. And if you join, let me know you're from YouTube and, drop a comment, say hello, and join the community because we're talking about some pretty cool stuff. But really, thank you guys again so much for the support. I hope you found this video helpful if you've been considering YouTube as a side hustle, and I'd love to know what you think as well down in the comments. I'll also be answering comments on this video like I always try to do. If you have questions about how to start, what niche you should be in, or if you just have any questions in general. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.